Have you ever wondered what it truly means to still matter to the people around you? Not to be remembered for who you used to be, but to be genuinely needed for who you are right now, today, at this very stage of your life. So many people quietly fear that once they reach a certain age, they simply become background noise in the lives of others. But what if that fear was never true at all? What if you are needed in more ways than you have ever realized, and nobody has simply taken the time to say it out loud? This question matters so deeply once you cross the age of 70, because the world often tells older adults that their biggest contributions are behind them. And yet nothing could be further from the truth. Your presence, your voice, and your quiet steadiness still shape the people around you every single day, often in ways so subtle that even you may not notice them happening. You have spent decades gathering wisdom, patience, and perspective that younger generations simply do not have yet. And that kind of depth cannot be rushed or replaced. So today, we are going to gently look at 6 ways you may still be needed, even if nobody has said it out loud lately. And if even one of these feels true for you, it means you are not fading. You are still very much here, and still very much essential. Way number 1, you are needed as a source of calm. When life gets chaotic for the people you love, they often look for someone who will not panic, someone who will listen without rushing to react. That someone is often you. Your ability to stay steady when others feel overwhelmed is not a small thing. It is a quiet gift that keeps families grounded during moments that could otherwise spiral into stress. Younger people may not always say it directly, but they notice when you remain calm during a hard phone call, a stressful holiday gathering, or an unexpected piece of bad news. This calm did not appear overnight. It was built slowly through decades of living through hard seasons and coming out the other side stronger than before. And that steadiness is something the people around you lean on more than you may ever know. Because in a world that moves fast and reacts quickly, your calm becomes a rare and valuable anchor. Way number 2, you are needed as a keeper of family memory. You may be the only person who remembers how your parents met, or why a certain tradition started in your family, or what your children were like before they grew into adults with families of their own. This kind of memory cannot be replaced by photographs or old letters, because it lives inside you, in the way you tell a story, in the small details you naturally include without even trying. When you share these memories, even in passing conversation over dinner or during a quiet afternoon, you are giving your family a sense of where they came from and why certain things matter the way they do. This role becomes even more meaningful with time, because the stories you carry are becoming rarer and more precious with every year that passes, making your voice one of the last living threads to a family's true history. Before we move on, I want to ask you a gentle question. Which of these 2 ways has someone in your life leaned on you for recently, being your calm presence or being the keeper of your family's memories? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. And if this video is helping you, please like it, share it with someone you care about, and subscribe to the Wisdom Vault. Also, please watch until the very end, because the points ahead are just as important and may truly make a difference in your life. Way number 3, you are needed as a voice of honest perspective. In a world full of quick opinions and constant noise, people are quietly craving honesty that comes from real experience rather than guesswork. When you speak, you are not guessing. You are drawing from years of watching life unfold in ways that theory alone could never teach anyone. Younger people may argue and debate among themselves, exchanging opinions they read somewhere or heard secondhand, but they often pause to ask what you think, because they sense your words carry a different kind of weight. Your honesty, offered gently and without judgment, becomes a kind of anchor for people who are still trying to figure things out for themselves. This is a role that grows more valuable with age, not less, because true perspective cannot be learned quickly, it can only be lived. Way number 4. You are needed as an example of resilience. Every person around you is quietly watching how you handle setbacks, disappointments, and loss, even when you think nobody is paying attention. When they see you continue to wake up, continue to care for yourself, and continue to find small joys despite everything life has thrown at you, it teaches them something no book or lecture ever could. Your resilience becomes living proof that life can still be good even after hardship, even after loss, even after the kind of pain that could easily make someone give up. Without ever giving a lecture, you are showing the people around you what strength truly looks like in its quietest and most honest form. And that quiet example often shapes how they face their own struggles, long after the moment has passed, and long after they may have forgotten where they first learned it. Even on days when you yourself feel tired or uncertain, the simple act of continuing forward becomes a lesson that speaks louder than any words ever could. People do not need you to be perfect or unshaken. They need to see that it is possible to bend without breaking, and that alone gives them permission to keep going when their own path feels heavy. This is why your resilience does not fade with age. It only becomes more visible, more trusted, and more needed by the people who are quietly learning from you every single day. Way number 5. You are needed as a steady presence for the youngest generation children and grandchildren. Often remember one thing above all else: whether someone made them feel safe and unhurried in a world that constantly rushes them along. Your patience, your willingness to sit and simply be present without checking the time, gives them something rare and increasingly hard to find. You may think a quiet afternoon spent together is a small thing, but to a child, it becomes a memory they carry for the rest of their life, long after they have grown and built lives of their own. This kind of presence cannot be replaced by anyone else, because it comes from someone who has already lived enough to know that presence matters far more than perfection ever could. In a world where everyone seems to be looking at a screen or rushing to the next task, your willingness to simply sit, listen, and be fully there communicates something children absorb far more deeply than words. They may not be able to explain it now, but years later, they will remember the feeling of being fully seen by you, and that feeling becomes part of who they grow up to be. This is a kind of quiet influence that cannot be measured, yet it shapes a young life more profoundly than almost anything else around them. Way number 6. You are needed as someone who still believes in others. There is a quiet power in simply believing in someone, especially when they are struggling to believe in themselves during a hard season of their own life. When you tell someone they can do it, or that you are proud of them, your words carry a kind of weight that comes only from having lived long enough to know what real struggle actually looks like. This belief you offer becomes fuel for the people around you, even during their hardest and most uncertain days. And it reminds them that they are not walking through life without support, because you are still there, still watching, still believing in them, even when they cannot quite believe in themselves. Sometimes a single sentence from you, spoken at just the right moment, can carry someone through weeks of doubt they never told you about. This is because your belief does not come from politeness or habit. It comes from having earned the right to say such things through your own years of trying, failing, and trying again. That kind of belief cannot be faked, and the people who receive it from you know exactly how rare and valuable it truly is. So if any of these 6 ways felt familiar to you, please hear this clearly. You have not faded, and you have not become invisible. No matter what quiet fears may have told you otherwise, you are still shaping the people around you in ways that matter deeply, even when nobody says it out loud. Your calm, your memory, your honesty, your resilience, your presence, and your belief in others are quietly holding your family and your community together, more than you may have ever given yourself credit for. These are not small things. They are the very things that make a life meaningful and a family whole. So carry this with you today, knowing that you are needed, you are valued, and you still have so much left to give. If this video reminded you of your own quiet strength, please like it, share it with someone who needs to hear this today, and subscribe to the Wisdom Vault for more moments like this one.